Fundnel app pricing explained what you get for your money. Fundnel is a digital investment platform that allows investors to access private deals, startup funding opportunities, and alternative assets. If you think such platforms are only for high net worth individuals, think again. Fundnel has options for a wide range of investors. The app itself is free to download, giving you access to deal browsing, educational content, and basic investment tracking. To actually invest, Fundnel charges a small platform fee on each transaction, typically around 1–2% of the investment amount. Additionally, there may be standard management fees depending on the type of investment, which are clearly disclosed before committing funds. Most people get this wrong by assuming that investing in private deals is expensive or inaccessible. The surprising truth is that Fundnel democratizes access, allowing smaller investors to participate in opportunities that were once exclusive to venture capitalists. For example, some startup deals have minimum investments as low as zero, which is much lower than traditional private equity thresholds. Premium side of Fundnel includes curated deal access and priority notifications for high-demand opportunities. By subscribing, investors gain early insights into new offerings, helping them act quickly in competitive markets. In conclusion, Fundnel app pricing is transparent and reasonable for the value it provides. With free access to browsing and educational resources, and low transaction fees for investing, it's an excellent choice for anyone looking to diversify into private markets without the typical high entry barriers. Fundnel makes alternative investing more approachable, efficient, and educational.